SPM 2017 paper 2. In a day, the machine produces X numbers of P and Y number of Q. The time required to produce a P toy is 6 minutes. The time required to produce the Q is 5 minutes. The production of the toy is based on the following constraint. First, total number of the toy produced must be more than 40 units in a day. How we supposed to write this inequality?
X plus Y greater than 40.
Yes, X plus Y is greater than 40. The machine can operate for only 15 hours a day. 6 minutes for toy B, 5 minutes for toy Q. Yes, any suggestion?
Sir,
X.
the hours can change to minutes or we change the minutes to hour.
It's up to you.
Oh,
Okay, if we change the minute, 15 hour
60.
becomes,
15 hours become 900.
okay, 900 minutes. 6x plus 5y. So the sign we use here is
less than equal to.
less equal. Yet that is our second inequality. Now let us look at the third one. The ratio of the number of type P toy to the number of type Q toy is at most 3 to 5. P is X, Q is Y. If P to Q means X to Y. What is the sign for at most?
less than or equal to.
Less than or
Then
equal.
or equal to. Yeah.
Okay, so the ratio, how we convert into the fraction form?
3/5.
Okay, this one 3 over 5. What about the front?
X over Y.
Yes, correct. That will give us our third inequality. X over Y less equal 3 over 5. So each inequality give you 1 mark. Next, using a scale of 2 cm to 20 toys on both axes, construct and shade the region R which satisfy all the above constraints. So every 2 cm give you 20, so I label 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and so on. First graph I refer to y equals to negative x plus 40. We can see the y-intercept already, right? That one will be our first point. Can we refer to 40? Then we will get 0 here. So that will give us our first graph. 0, 40, 40, 0. Dotted line. Okay, remember? 1 mark. Next, y equals to negative 6 over 5x plus 180. So that will be our first point. Okay, if we pick 100 here, it will be 60. This point. Join. So the third graph, x over y equals to 3 over 5. I will change it becomes y over x equals to 5 over 3. So I move the x to the other side. It will become y is equals to 5 over 3x. The y-intercept is 0. That it will be our first point. Okay, second point, we can pick any value that can divide it by 3. Easier for us to count. We pick 60. It will give you 100. So that is our second point. So 60, 100. We draw the line. With that, we get our second mark. Now, we want to do the shading. X plus y more than 40, which is above. 6x plus 5y less equal 900, which is below. The third one have to be careful a bit, because the subject above is x. If x, we have to refer to either right or left. Since x less equal, so we refer to left hand side. With this, we know that our shadow region is here. 1 mark. Question C. We want to use the graph to find the range of total sale that can be obtained if the selling price of P is 5 ringgit and Q is 3 ringgit. P is X, Q is Y. With that, we will get the cost function, which is 5x plus 3y. Now we need to refer to all the vertices here one by one. This coordinate give us 0, 180. This coordinate give us 16, 28. And the last coordinate here give us 63, 104. We substitute one by one in order to find the maximum and the minimum here. Maximum and the minimum will give us the range of total sale. At the point 0, 180, the total sales is 540. At 63, 104, the sales is 627. At 1628, the sales is 164. And at 0, 40, we can see the maximum value here is 627 and the minimum value here is 120. With this, we get the range of our total sale, which is 120 less than the total sale less equals 627. 1 mark given, either you get this point or this point. Second mark will be given once you substitute any coordinate inside the cost function. Third mark will be given once you get 627 and 120 together. Fourth mark will be given once you get the range 120 less than total sale less equals 627.